Okay, good morning every students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Daboli, Surat, Standard 8, subject Mathematics. Today we are going to learn about the exercise 10.2, question number 1. In previous lectures, we learn about up to question number 10.1 exercise of the all question, and today we are going to start exercise 10.2, question number 1. Look at the given map of a city. So in this map we have to try to learn about the city's map. In the city's map you can observe that there is one cemetery, one hospital, library, market, city, college, locality, and this is a Gandhi Road, and this is a primary school locality, and this is a senior secondary school, city park, lake, water plant, bus and fire stations, police station, etc. So this is the general map of the city, and this is a community center. Okay, so city, college, this is a city, college and community center. And then after we have to find out the answer of following. So first of all, color the map as follows. First of all, blur blue color for the water, red color for the fire station, orange color is for the library, yellow color is for the school, green color is for the park, and pink color for the college, and purple for the hospital. Then after brown for the geometry. So this work you have to done in your homework, and I will try to teach in the Zoom class also. Okay, because this is a painting type of question, so this question you have to done in your home by yourself, and mark the green X at the intersection of the road C and Nehru Road, and green Y at the intersection of the Gandhi Road, road A. So let's we find out. So this is general, this is a creativity type question. So you have to mark X at the green and the intersection road at the C, and green at the Y and the intersection of the Gandhi Road at road A. Then after, in red, draw a short street route from the library to the bus stop, bus depot. Okay, so library to the bus depot you have to find out the short, and then after, which is further east, the city park or the market. So which is further south and primary. So this exercise is quite easy and not most important for the examination, because there are lots of questions which we can ask in the examination. So don't try to lose your moral for this kind of questions. Let's we go ahead. In the question number 2, draw a map of your classroom using proper scale and symbol of a different object. आपको क्या करना है इसमें जो क्लास का. So in this question you have to do the map of your class. Suppose this is our classroom. We have to arrange one bench. So here there is our stage, and in the between the stage there is one chalkboard. Okay, so exactly opposite that chalkboard we have to arrange the benches like this, and this is the entrance of our class. Then after, there are huge benches are there, and there are 2 windows we can situate in that place. So in this way we can find out the map of the classroom. So draw the classroom in your notebook whenever you are free. Then after, question number 3, in that question, draw a map of your school compound using proper scale and symbol of the various feature like a playground, main building, garden, etc. So आपको इसमें क्या करना है, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ स्कूल कैंपस, एंड आपको वो इंडिकेट करना है कि स्कूल बिल्डिंग कहाँ पे है. देन आफ्टर, वेयर इज़ द प्ले ग्राउंड, वेयर इज़ द वॉश बेसिन्स, वेयर इज़ द पार्किंग. इन दिस वे you can measure and draw the whole campus in the one page, and you have to indicate the scale for that. Okay, so scale is must be required to draw the map. So this exercise is also for your with yourself. Then after, in the question number 4, draw a map giving instruction to your friends so that she reaches your house without any difficulty. So easy way to solve this example is Google Map. Okay, so by using Google Map you can find out the map for that So first of all, your house to your friend's house, you have to draw the Google map in your notebook. Okay, these activities also you have to do with yourself. Then after exercise number 10.3, can a polygon have 4 faces? First one is 3 triangles, 4. Second one is 4 triangle. Third one is a square and a 4 triangles. So answer number 1. No, a polyhedron cannot have 3 triangles for it. And yes, polyhedron can have a triangles which is as per pyramid on the triangular base. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि 3 ट्राइंगल वाला पॉलीगॉन है, वो कौन सा होता है? ट्राइंगल होता है. देन आफ्टर 4 ट्राइंगल्स है, तो उससे बनने वाला जो ट्राइंगल है वो कौन सा है? पॉलीहेड्रॉन है. देन आफ्टर अ स्क्वायर एंड 4 ट्राइंगल्स. सो स्क्वायर एंड 4 ट्राइंगल्स विच मेक्स अ pyramid or a square based shape. Then after question number 2, is it possible to have a hadron with any given number or faces? Hint, think of a pyramid. तो आपको पिरामिड के बारे में सोचना है. Then after answer is possibly only if the number of the faces are greater than 4 or equal. Okay, so this example we will solve in the next lectures in the Zoom class. Then after question number 3, which are the prisms among the following? So यहाँ पे देख सकते हो अ नेल. तो नेल है, ठीक है, वो प्रिज्म है कि नहीं वो चेक करना है. देन आफ्टर सेकंड क्वेश्चन, जो अनशार्प पेंसिल है, तो ये अनशार्प पेंसिल है वो क्या है? प्रिज्म है कि नहीं वो हमें देखना है. देन आफ्टर अ टेबल वेट, तो टेबल वेट है वो भी आप देख सकते हो कि वो प्रिज्म है कि नहीं. और बॉक्स है, उसके लिए भी फाइंड करना है. तो चलो उसके रीज़न पढ़ते हैं. वो आइदर दैट इज़ प्रिज्म एंड देन वी हैव टू गिव द रीज़न फॉर दैट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फॉर द नेल, सो हियर अनशार्प पेंसिल मीन्स जो पेंसिल है वो शार्पन की नहीं गई, ठीक है, तो उसके जो फेसेस है वो हम अच्छी तरह से देख सकते हैं. तो दिस काइंड ऑफ शेप इज़ नोन एज अ prism. And here a box is also prism, and table weight, that is also prism. But nail is not a prism because it have no faces. And then after the question number 4, how are prisms and cylinders alike? First one is prism becomes a cylinder as the number of sides of its base becomes large and large. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो सिलेंडर है वो प्रिज्म नहीं है, क्योंकि जो उसका प्रिज्म बिकम्स अ सिलेंडर एज द नंबर ऑफ द साइड्स ऑफ इट्स बेस बिकम द लार्जर एंड लार्जर. देन आफ्टर फॉर द पिरामिड्स एंड कॉन्स, पिरामिड्स और कॉन्स के लिए आप क्या कह सकते हो? अ पिरामिड बिकम्स अ कॉन एज द नंबर ऑफ साइड्स ऑफ इट्स बेस बिकम्स अ लार्जर एंड लार्जर. देन आफ्टर फॉर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, इज अ स्क्वायर प्रिज्म सेम एज अ क्यूब और एक्सप्लेन. आपको क्या करना है? नो, इट कैन बी अ क्यूबॉइड ऑल्सो. तो जो स्क्वायर प्रिज्म है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? वो क्यूबॉइड भी हो सकता है, सिर्फ क्यूब नहीं, क्यूबॉइड भी हो सकता है. सो आंसर गलत है. देन आफ्टर क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, वेरीफाई यूलर्स फॉर्मूला फॉर दिस सॉलिड्स. सो हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है? वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द यूलर्स फॉर्मूला. सो दिस इज यूलर फॉर्मूला यू हैव टू यूज फॉर दैट. एंड देन आफ्टर here there are faces having a number f is equal to 7. Then after vertices there are 10 vertices are there, and there are edges, so edges are 15. And then after we have to use the Euler formula. Euler formula is f plus v minus e is equal to 2. So f plus v minus e is equal to 2 is Euler formula. So by using that formula you have to justify that figure is of the Euler formula or not. So then after next 17 minus 15 is equal to 2. So 2 is equal to LHS is equal to RHS. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे LHS is equal to RHS हो रहा है. So this is the polygon, and then after we have to justify for that is the second. For the second question, contain 9 faces, 9 vertices and 16 edges. So f plus v minus e is equal to 2. Then after f plus v minus e is equal to LHS is equal to RHS. In this way you can find out the solutions. Okay, if you have any doubt, please try to join the Zoom classes. We will learn you very well. Okay, so thank you so much.